Are your site and all its associated pages optimized for local? Are your Google Business Profile and Google Maps optimized for local? There are quite a few different factors that play the role for local rankings. But our final judgment, we can break Google's local algorithm down into three pillars: proximity, prominence, and relevance. And today we will discuss the proximity and the relevance in details. In the future video, I will discuss all three pillars: proximity, prominence, and relevance in details. A lot of guys asked me about what is proximity optimization. Today I will discuss these two things. Proximity refers to how close your plumbing company is to the person searching for your services. This depends fully on the latitude and longitude of the searcher's location and the distance between their location and your address. If someone is searching best plumbers in Indianapolis, Google will not show results for plumbers in Louisville unless the searcher specifies that location. Generally, the closer you are to the searcher, the higher up they will be on your list of results. It becomes even more complicated when a person is walking instead of driving a vehicle, because Google will show businesses within walking distance rather than a business that you would normally go by vehicle. Proximity is one of the hardest pillars to manipulate because you cannot just move your business address in Google to rank in other locations. Rather, we will have to optimize your Google Business Profile and use other tactics like localized keyword phrases on your website or the proximity optimization to expand the radius for a particular search query. Now I am going to discuss the relevance. When a user searches, Google wants to show the most relevant results to the search. Hence, whatever service, content, or information best satisfies the search intent will display first in the results. So if your website and Google Business Profile have those relevant keywords and services listed, you are more likely to appear higher up on the search page. Make sure that your information is not too complicated and make sure that Google understands what your content is about. Do this by completing your Google Business Profile and posting regularly about relevant services in relevant areas and adding keywords in each of your posts, whether that is a post directly on your Google Business Profile or your website. So, the proximity optimization I'm going to discuss, it helps in both ways to optimize relevancy and proximity of your business. So, proximity optimization is completely relies on your contents, the keywords you want to rank on, your target keywords. And I'm going to show you the proximity optimization I have done for one of my clients, pressure washing. And in this section, the method I will show you. In the next video, I will discuss and show you the details how I do this optimization. This is the process here. I have added all the major points with the directions to increase the proximity, and added YouTube videos. Here you can see the YouTube videos, latitude, longitude of the location, the business descriptions, website address, CID links, the business description, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Yelp, YouTube, added description, directions, and the keywords you want to rank on in this area, and this creates a relevancy for your business as well. This is the process I do to optimize the proximity. So for in this area, the business I have done is ranked quite well, and it's a good sign that it's working. And the optimization impacts on the search. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Peace.